Hey guys, Jay here, welcome to Eons of Battle, and today I'm going to show you how to create some red desert bases. Here are the paints I'll be using. First thing I did is I glued some small pieces of cork to the edges of the base. This is not what the model is going to be standing on, but the cork is going to add some nice details. Now cork is very porous, so you're going to want to use a lot of super glue to get it onto the base, and then probably a few extra drops just to make sure that it stays put. Then I made myself a batch of texture paste. For this, I'm mixing up some wall spackle, and then about half as much Elmer's glue as I added wall spackle, and then some black ink. I then applied this to the cork to soften its edges. Then I globbed on the mixture onto the base. If you find while you're globbing this on that it's looking a little bit too smooth, you can go in with a wet brush and try to agitate it to get a little bit more texture. I allowed that to dry overnight, and then I scraped off the edges of the base with the back of a hobby blade. Then I primed the models light gray. I'm using an airbrush, but you could also use a rattle can to do this. Then I base coated my models using my airbrush with some Vallejo terracotta. I'm using an airbrush, but you could also achieve this with a few thin coats applied with a brush. Once that was dry, I applied through my airbrush a little bit of Vallejo earth, spraying only from one direction, so it catches on the raised edges on one side but not the other. If you don't have an airbrush, you can also achieve a very similar effect just by dry brushing. Then I finished the models with a light dry brushing of some Vallejo Bone White. And with the models finished, the only thing left was to paint the skirts black. And there are 3 finished red desert bases. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any suggestions on videos that you would like to see us do, please leave them in the comments below. If you followed along with this tutorial, please post your work to Instagram and tag EonsOfBattle so that we can share it. Thanks for watching.